In most kitchens, the base cabinet below the sink offers the most amount of storage space. Unfortunately, this is how most of us use that space. Oops, we just toss things in there. It's pretty disorganized. So I'm going to show you a simple solution on how to build a shelf. A very simple shelf that'll fit in there, that'll nearly double the storage space and help you organize all your supplies. I made the shelf out of a 1x10 pine board. I started by cutting the shelf, the width of the cabinet, then I cut 2 short legs. In this case, the overall height of the shelving unit was about 12 inches. Then I simply screwed the shelf down to the legs using 1 5/8 inch drywall screws. I'm just going to slip this into place. Slide it in, stand it up. Now you'll notice in this case, I was able to squeeze the shelf in right in front of the trap of the sink. Now, if the pipe is in the way in your situation, you can just notch it, easily notch that with a jigsaw. But there you go. Now you have 2-tier storage, plenty of room to store all the supplies, keep them organized, but completely out of the way.